Hi, welcome to Wheeler Detailers. Come with me. Do you like a perfect finish on your car interior? Going from here to here? Then watch this video to the end and we go through all steps to achieve this together. In this video we're going to do some car interior detailing featuring Decon's IPA and Koch Chemie's Topstar. Car interior plastic trim will neglect over time. So we can see it pretty much on all the hard and textured interior plastics, like these doorsteps, these sills, also the top end of the dash. It starts to discolor by UVA, UVB radiation. Also here in the door, especially here on the inside, where you fetch the door here. These kind of door panels, maybe also hit them with your shoes. And if we just only would clean it with an interior cleaner and a towel, then we will take the stain away. But then this neglected grayish kind of finish will stay. And with an easy application of Koch Chemie's Topstar, we can make sure the car interior plastic trim will stay in top-notch condition, as well as being protected against future UVA and UVB radiation. Just out of curiosity, I already did a test spot. So as we can see here, the BMW interior panel. Here is the before, and here's the after. What we can see here, it's dull, it's grayish, it's neglected. And here it's deep, it's darkened. Yeah? It's also a little bit more smooth, but it just looks, I would say, back to factory new. And this is a very important topic to do this every once in a while, especially if you live in sunnier climates and you have a lot of UV radiation on your car. You want to be sure to prevent neglection and prevent cracks, and that's also why detailing your car interior plastic trim is also very important. Let's go to the other side and we go step by step from there. You get some masking tape to mask off what I don't want to clean and dress. Masking tape doesn't want to adhere that well. And first we may clean that area with IPA. That's actually a good tip, a bonus tip in the video. So we can see here it's kind of grayish, neglected. Usually we see it's a little bit shiny, which is probably from skin grease from arms or elbows. You can also see here it's getting a little bit like there's some stains around it. You know, it's not like a nice and even finish anymore. And what we first want to do, fold our microfiber towel. And we're gonna spray a little bit of IPA on the towel and we're gonna wipe down the whole door panel. And by means of this, you know, all skin grease will be gone, all detergents will be gone. And with that, the Koch Chemie Topstar can adhere a little bit better, and with that also perform maximum. You can actually see that it's a little bit grayish. And then let me get the Topstar. Here we have these small Decon mini applicators. We also have the larger ones. You can see a lot of will come out of the top. So I'm not gonna hold it top down, but I'll do it a little bit careful. And you can see it's dripping out of the top. So first I'm gonna divide it on some parts. The product spreads out magnificent, which makes it super easy to get an even coverage. I would say product by itself, Topstar, it's really good. But also with a small microfiber applicator like this, it just works beautiful. It's running a little bit dry, so I'm going to reapply a little bit of product. Yeah, so you don't notice this on video, but it smells good too. I'm not sure to what, but my first thoughts are summer vacation. So, must be good. For a nice and even finish, very good, I don't see stains. Also here we see it's now much darker as it was. And also we don't see these stains anymore around the speaker. I have to do a little bit more precise work, by the way. You can see here I didn't touch it correctly. But it really gives a nice dark and even finish. And it's annoying me, that white spot there. It's really annoying me. Hey, by the way, here you can see now that I'm removing the Topstar dressing. I'm not sure what that white spot there is. We're gonna leave this one to dry. And if you want to do some other parts, like here the hard plastic from the door steps as well. So we can see it also now here. This is just an unused black microfiber workhorse applicator. So we see here it's a little bit, I don't know, it's a little bit stained kind of ish. If you just give it an extra wipe, then you take that away. What did we do to achieve that perfect finish on your car interior plastic trim? Short piled workhorse towel, IPA 99%. Pre-wipe everything and take away dirt, contamination, fingerprints, whatever. Masking tape. So you make sure you're gonna mask off all the parts you don't want to dress. Then comes the small decon mini applicators and the Koch Chemie topstar, because it gives us a really good combination and makes you maneuver in all the tight spaces and hard to reach areas. Yeah, the product itself, you just apply it in the microfibers of your applicator, then you spread it out over the surface, and then you completely spread it out evenly. It more or less spreads out evenly by itself, so that works really nice. And if you don't like the, I don't know, stainish, whatever kind of shimmer, then make sure to give it an extra wipe. In this case I used an extra microfiber applicator, a black workhorse applicator, but you can also do it in a microfiber towel. Hope you like this video. If you got some questions on interior detailing, let me know, write it here below. So if you feel inspired for car interior detailing, and next to cleaning and dressing, you also want to do some proper vacuuming, and we got a video for that too. Click on the pop-up banner for some vacuuming tips. See you guys and girls in the next one. Bye-bye. So, by the way, it's spring sale at CarCat24. So that means if you use coupon spring cleaning, you get 15% off of your purchases. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys and girls in the next video. Bye-bye.